Hi guys, Black here. This is what I'm working on today. I am going to take the instrument cluster out of my Trailblazer and take it to instrument cluster repair people. I haven't taken this dash out in a long time. Hope it cranked. Damn. I need to tighten up the battery cable. And that wrench is right here. I forgot about that. Alright. So apparently this is a good battery. I just had to charge it up. Alright, now I need to take this battery. God, car's locked. Where my keys? Where my keys? Oh hell, I locked my keys in the car. Guess what though? I keep extra keys just for this. Just for that reason, I keep an extra key. Well, I don't keep an extra key on the Ford because I can use the remote thing to open the door. But I got an extra key for my Cadillac. All right, so now we got to take this instrument cluster out. There's a, oh, it's acting up, y'all. It's acting up. All right, it's got a bolt right here. There it is. The gauge is messing up. So is that killing my battery? I don't know, but I'm gonna replace the gauge. By the way, that's something I gotta write down. 279,492. You know something, guys? I just thought about something. If it is the instrument cluster, when I unplug it and leave the battery plugged up, it shouldn't go dead. If the instrument cluster is what's killing the battery. I just thought about that. Pull this out. I hadn't took this dash out in a long time. Man, the fumes from this car, it stinks. All right, guys, you got a 7mm bolt here and a 7mm bolt there. You got a okay, look at here, you got a 7mm bolt here. Had one there, but I forgot to put it in. You got one here. You got one here. Should have one here and one there to get this thing out. Ooh, glad I didn't torque him in. You know what? I have an electric wrench too. Okay, and then you pull this down. Oh, I forgot. It's got two more screws. It's got a screw here and a screw there. Ain't that a winch? Well, GM tried to make this sucker. Didn't want it to rattle, didn't it? One more right here. Damn, I should have left it. Take the bottom screws out first. All right. take this and put it on like that. Now you got Phillips screw here, and one right there. And you know what else? There's 2 more screws I just remembered. I'll show you in a second. You got a screw here, you got a screw there. All right, guys, I forget I have this thing. Ooh, that works a lot better, don't it? Damn, I put that bolt in tight. All right, guys, you gotta let your steering wheel all the way down, and you might have to put this in neutral, low gear. And it should pop out. It's one screw here and it should pop out. There we go. There we go. There we go, governor. All right, you just have to pull on it. Okay, you got some of these things right here. You squeeze them, pull them out, squeeze them, pull them out. You got, and I just got the call. This right here knocked the call. And there you go. This is not plugged up to anything anymore, I don't think. But it's got, unhook this, unhook this. Oh, I remember how it works. I gotta take a screwdriver. And I gotta take a screwdriver and I gotta dig that part out. All right, I ain't gonna hold the camera. Yeah, that's what it is. You know what? I ought to break the damn lock. There you go. Whew. My leg hurt. So basically, it's hard to tell, but you got to stick a screwdriver in beside the plug and pull the lock. I'll show you when I get it out. All right, on this side, you got a plug here. Squeeze it, and it comes out, I think. Actually, guys, you know what I think I did? I think I pushed this to pop them out first. Yeah. You got 2 tabs here, and you got 2 tabs on the other side. Pop that loose. That's what I did. Then to pull the dash out, you gotta try your damnedest not to break anything. Oh yeah, let this, make sure the steering wheel is all the way down. And it comes out. Oh crap. Got the damn wires for this alarm that don't work. And I thought I put some ends where I could unplug them damn wires, but I guess I didn't. Oh, I was gonna show you this plug here. The black plug goes in there. You gotta take a screwdriver, come on the side. Damn it. You gotta take your flathead screwdriver, come on the side of this, and pull that plug away from the black. Pull it away like that, and it unlocks. Ow, man, I hurt my finger. All right, you got 7mm here, 7mm there, 7mm there, the 7mm there, and the thing comes out. And once you get the dash off, you can put that in park. You can cut the switch off. You gotta hear all that doggone noise. Guys, you need to make sure you buy you one of these magnets like this. You reach in and pull stuff out. Very, 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 very important. When you get those 4 screws out, all you gotta do is pull this out. And it's got a plug at the very top. Right there. Squeeze that, and it should come out. Ow. All right, now this is the original instrument cluster that came out of my truck. I've told you guys in a bunch of my videos that this truck, I took this out with 109,000 miles. I'm getting ready to prove it to you. Turn the switch on, and it should show 100. There you go. 109,208 miles. The used one I put in had 210 when I put it in, so 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. I put about 60,000 miles. So add 60 to 109,000. This Trailblazer has 169,000 miles. Dre, y'all have a good one.